Now, with the state government convening the meeting of the parliamentarians on delimitation, the DMK says that holding consultations before deciding the next course of action. But the delimitation politics continues as DMK MP Kanimozhi has put out a message saying that our leader MK Stalin was the first to identify and warn about the danger posed by delimitation, where he invited all political parties in Tamil Nadu for a meeting where resolutions setting out Tamil Nadu's demands were unanimously adopted. And subsequently, he's brought together chief ministers and the leaders of various political parties from across India and Chennai to conduct a joint action committee meeting for fair delimitation. So, Varshini, is there still any clarity from the DMK side?
Well, from the DMK side, the DMK MP and Deputy General Secretary of the party, Kanimozhi Karunanidhi, has released a statement where she has mentioned about how they will not participate in this meeting. She even mentioned that, they will not be a part of this political drama that the TVK wants to perform in the state, because there was an all-party meeting that was convened by former Chief Minister and their party President MK Stalin last year, and almost 40 plus parties in Tamil Nadu, every single small party participated in it, and unanimously they decided to pass resolution about their stand against delimitation. And in her very detailed statement, she also mentions about how the current, the previous draft bill of the central government is what was problematic. If at all there has been changes being made to the new draft bill, then if there is a consistent percentage of increase for the seats for all the states across the country, then they will definitely support if the demands are met, is what she's mentioned. She also has detailedly spoken about how the DMK has been doing this, a campaign against delimitation process, and how the demand for fair delimitation was brought in by DMK, and why the TVK wants to do this again is unnecessary, is what she says. And she also speaks about how TVK should focus on the Kaveri issue right now, call an all-party meeting for that, because the parliament has not even tabled the delimitation bill yet, so the discussion can be, pushed for later, but the Kaveri issue is the priority. So if she also questions the TVK government, if their representatives are ready to join the DMK, not just the DMK MPs, all the Tamil Nadu MPs, to meet Union Jal Shakti Minister to speak about the issues of the people of Tamil Nadu and take it forward. And that is where DMK would like to join hands with the TVK government, is what Kanimozhi Karunanidhi has mentioned.
Much water has also flown, since the DMK Supremo MK Stalin, when in power, burned the copy of the bill as a symbolic protest. Then the DMK exited the opposition bloc on a national level after the Congress ditched the party to support Vijay's TVK in Tamil Nadu. So there has been, clarification that has also been sought on part of the DMK. Exactly, has their stand softened as far as delimitation bill is concerned?
We can definitely say that while they were in the government, they were, absolutely against the delimitation bill. But though they were again and again reiterating the fact that all that they are asking is for fair delimitation, and the clauses that were part of the previous delimitation bill that was tabled in the parliament did not acknowledge or did not cater to the needs or demands of the states, particularly Tamil Nadu and all the southern states, and the states that could potentially lose a lot of seats when compared to a lot of states in the northern part of the country. Therefore, right now we can see that they are not in the government. We can see that the tone in which they speak about delimitation is definitely softened. But Kanimozhi's statement in this regard, and the party's General Secretary Duraimurugan's statement yesterday, very clearly speaks about the demands that they are putting forth, which is the same that they were asking last year also. So, which also tells us that the DMK would be ready to say yes to the bill if at all their demands are met.
So conditions, that is something that they are now looking at, and of course waiting if and all when it comes to delimitation would be taken up in the parliament again. But they believe that there are more pressing issues that Tamil Nadu government needs to address at this point. But as far as this all-party meeting is concerned, we have a breaking update coming in on parties that have decided to actually skip today's meeting. So what we are learning from sources is not just the DMK, but DMDK's lone Rajya Sabha MP is also expected to stay away from the meeting, while the PMK is also deciding that it is going to boycott the talks. So, Varshini, who are we now looking at as far as those attending and those boycotting?
Well, if you see a total of Tamil Nadu has a total of 57 MPs in the parliament, both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, and out of this, the majority of the MPs belong to the DMK, and a smaller number of MPs belong to the AIDMK, and single-digit MPs belong to smaller parties. So what we are given to understand at this point is, out of the 57 people, only 20 parliamentary representatives will be participating, which is the alliance partners of the TVK, which is the Vidudalai Siruthaikal Katchi and the Congress, in fact, and also the left parties like the Communist parties. On the other hand, the DMK, the AIADMK and the parties, smaller parties which are in alliance with both these bigger parties, like the DMDK, former, DMDK is Vijay Kant's party, and PMK is Anbumani Ramadas's party, and we also have Makkal Nidhi Mayam, which is Kamal Hassan's party.
Yes.
Therefore, all of these parties have one Rajya Sabha MP, and all of them have boycotted. They are in alliance with the DMK or the AIDMK, and all of them have
So the TVK
boycotted.
that already stands against delimitation, and of course in alliance is the Congress. But as the representatives in the parliament is concerned, they are expecting multiple of them sitting in the opposition are likely to skip today's meeting that is now being led by the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. Thank you very much for the moment, Varshini, for that update. We'll be back on the other side.